right, cat.
Hello, darling. We've seen you before.
You're there.
Hello, baby. Oh, you're doing your little playing one.
Oh,
Oh, what, Dad? Do you want some water, baby?
yeah.
Oh, yeah, water. You know.
There's some water.
Come here. Come on, then.
Yeah, the water.
Some water. Yeah, come on, then.
Yeah. The water.
Some water for you. It dries up. Oh, you're going in there. You
Yeah,
can't.
the water. Oh, Baba.
Hello, baby.
What's your name?
Some water.
What's that?
There you go, look.
Ah,
It's been fed because it's over there. I think it goes to that one over there. Yeah. You can see it's well fed.
where's the water?
Some water, baby. Mm. Don't want the water now. It's not thirsty now.
Not thirsty. It's alright then. Probably not too hot. In the shade, isn't it? In the shade.
Bye-bye then. I don't want him to come all out like he did last time.
See you then,
Bye-bye,
Baba.
baby.
See you, Baba.
What?
What's that?
Meow. Oh, you're a friendly cat, ain't ya? Wants
Yeah.
strokes, but yeah.
What's that, Baba?
Come here.
What's that?
You want the fish?
What's that?
Oh.
Fine, Kevin. What's that? Ah, good boy. He's a good boy then. There we go.
You go back there then.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, he's coming back again.
Ah. What's that? Ah.
Put in the centre. Oh.
You're putting the scent on. Yeah, I'll put that in there.
Yeah, it's been fair. Probably over there. Bye-bye. Bye-bye then. Yeah. Yeah, because the princess.
Her hand is up.
Well. Bye-bye, baby.
Keep it.
Oh, he's a friendly cat who wants to stroke.
You really can.
Don't use that till I don't want you to do it.
No.
Bye-bye, darling.
No, Baba.
What's the stroke? It's sweet.
What's that? Reaching. I'm putting the scent on there. Time the ground here, Baba.
You're playing the ground. Bye-bye then. Bye-bye, baby.
Keep it then.